The public inquiry into the murder of former Russian spy Alexander Litvinenko has closed, with the lawyer for the ex-KGB agent's family firmly pointing the finger of blame at Russian President Vladimir Putin.
We say that it is certain that the Russian state ordered this murder, and we say you can be sure that that could not have happened without President Putin's approval.
Kremlin critic Litvinenko died 3 weeks after drinking green tea laced with radioactive polonium-210 at London's plush Millennium Hotel, shortly after obtaining British citizenship. London says there is evidence to try Russians Andrei Lugovoy and Dmitry Kovtun with murder, while from his deathbed Litvinenko accused Putin of ordering his killing. Litvinenko's widow Marina spent years pushing for a public inquiry into the circumstances of her husband's death and to look at whether there is a case to be made for Russian state involvement.
I want to pay tribute to Marina Litvinenko and her son Anatoly. To Marina for her determination to uncover the truth about her husband's death and the quiet dignity that she has shown throughout these hearings. It cannot have been easy either to give her evidence or to hear so many accounts of the events that led up to his death. It must inevitably have meant the pain of reliving those days time and time again. Her fortitude and her composure in these very difficult circumstances is greatly to be admired.
Outside the court, Marina Litvinenko spoke to the press.
There remains little doubt in my mind that the order for Sasha's murder came from Kremlin. Any reasonable person who looks at the evidence presented in the inquiry will see my husband was killed by agents of the Russian state in the first ever act of nuclear terrorism in the streets of London. And this could not have happened without knowledge of consent of Mr. Putin.
The coroner will publish his findings before Christmas this year.